Hi, good morning, Alex here live, public, um, referring to this tremendous rally on shares of Peloton. This is according to the instructions that I left last year, the end of 2021. Therefore, no surprise whatsoever, where I gave precise, 100% accurate price targets even before they existed. So everyone knows why Peloton melted down precisely to $24. And once again, proving that I know what is going to happen, the future, and having the pleasure of sharing it together with you. And then it is up to you to decide whether you follow up or not. So today, basically $40 in Peloton. This stock, it was heavily sold short by Americans at the bottom. They were all bullish at the top when I downgraded Peloton to junk, betting on the total collapse. And then once they capitulated and they started selling short the stock, today they are losing everything. And moreover, today's news are extraordinarily bullish because 3,000 Americans, they lost their jobs on Peloton, and that is reason for everyone to celebrate. Having said this, this is not just about Peloton. Yesterday I was here sharing also my trade alerts and calls and instructions on a company called Digital World that I've been having the pleasure of sharing and explaining the value of using artificial intelligence, but also my experience and intuition investing in the markets. And you have today here digital world, it is trading at this price. Okay, so yesterday it was $97. Today it fell to 77, so $20 basically overnight. So this is very important because once again, my friends, demonstrating that you just have to click a button. The value of intuitive AI data that I've been referring to as critical for you to, as a reference to guide you investing in the markets. But also today, other company that recently, a couple of days ago, reported with massive losses. The case of um, Royal Caribbean that I've been discussing for a long period of time, also inviting everyone to participate. I'm the one that called the button in Royal Caribbean. And analysts, namely the case of Morgan Stanley, downgraded the stock. You know what happens when Morgan Stanley turns bullish or turns bearish. If you do precise the opposite, you make money all the time, 100% of the time. They never made one single call in the markets. On the contrary, as an example, I explained recently the crash downgrading Rivian to junk, while Morgan Stanley remained with a price target $140, defrauding everyone. So this is the stock market. This is the nature of Americans, and my friends, the things they are here live on the tape for you to take advantage by clicking buttons and nothing else. Okay. So I also today I made presentations, for all these people, users, investing in these companies. But we not discuss what is happening today, although I'm commenting, but this is public. We discuss the future, okay, what lies ahead and not today. Everyone today is talking about Peloton or the fact that Royal Caribbean soared on massive losses, or what happened yesterday or today in digital world. It does not matter, my friends, because what really matters is the future, and we are present when it is necessary and explain what lies ahead, pretty much as I did last year when I announced the total meltdown of Peloton. At that time, no one believed in, and you had all these 360 million American fraudsters buying shares, investing in the stock market, and meanwhile everything collapsed, crashed. They capitulated. They started, going short stocks, and they started obviously then also being squeezed and always losing everything, and moreover their jobs, which is extraordinary. So my friends, life is perfect, and you have to continue believing in the future and AI, because it is in fact the future. It has been always, and following the instructions.